Hello guys, so I'm going to be showing you my top 3 birds or 5 in feather family. So let's get started. Go to feather family. Now my number 1. I like this walk and the run. If you guys don't have game passes but you have Robux, buy the cockroaches. If you don't have Robux, I can give you. I like the name Copa because it's from Lion King. And let's move on to my second favorite. Okay, let's go. Is what I made. And I can do it. Okay. Third favorite. And I like to go. When I was little, I had this bird, but it's gone now. I mean, look at this. It actually updated for a while, and this is its gone. It's like a dog. Okay, my fourth. I like this one because it's really fast. This is the fourth. It's really more like my last favorite. That's what extincts. The sound is so good, that's why I like this one. This is the last one. Even if it's extinct, it can fly forever. Because it's so beautiful. You have to try this. Yeah. Okay, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed.